The Galaxy S25 Ultra is just a few months away from being unveiled, and Samsung enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the improvements it will bring in terms of design, performance, and camera capabilities. However, those hoping for significant enhancements in battery capacity and charging speed may be left wanting. According to Ice Universe, a reliable source for Samsung leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, marking the fifth consecutive year without notable upgrades in this department for Samsung. While some may find this lack of progress disappointing, it is worth noting that Samsung's Chinese competitors have already begun equipping their flagship devices with larger batteries, ranging from 5,200 to 6,000 mAh. For instance, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, set to launch next year, is rumored to boast a 6,000 mAh battery. This shift in the industry towards higher battery capacities may put pressure on Samsung to reconsider its approach in the future. The decision to stick with a 5,000 mAh battery in the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be attributed to the device's rumored slim profile of 8.4mm. With a focus on maintaining a sleek design and accommodating the impressive camera setup and internal components, Samsung may have prioritized form factor over battery size. While this may disappoint some users, it underscores the delicate balance manufacturers must strike between innovation and practicality in smartphone design. When it comes to the camera, the device is anticipated to feature a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 3x zoom lens, and a 5x periscope telephoto lens. This configuration is quite similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but there is still uncertainty surrounding the fourth lens and whether Samsung will increase the megapixel count for its zoom lenses compared to its predecessor. On the other hand, Oppo may outdo Samsung next year in this aspect, as well with the upcoming Find X8 Ultra, which is rumored to be slimmer and come with a larger battery than the current X7 Ultra flagship. Given the impressive camera setup of the Oppo Find flagships, which now come with two optical periscope zoom lenses, the Find X8 Ultra may still be thicker than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This might not be a drawback, especially considering all the photographic features inside, particularly if it also comes with a larger battery. However, the 5,000 mAh battery of the Galaxy S25 Ultra may still offer better battery life, as it is expected to be equipped with the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset and a newer OLED display generation that will lower power consumption. Samsung must prioritize improving the battery life of their next flagship device, especially after consumers have invested a significant amount of money. If they don't act quickly, competitors could lure Samsung's customers away. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 lineup? Are you agree with the Samsung's decision? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and for more updates, do check out our channel. Till then, take care.